We almost end to our adventure. We're going to the Purplish Moon. I have a last video of the restoration, and we're going to play the Purplish Moon. Link, and this is Secret Base Space. Secret Base Space. This level is hard when you just play as Mario. Hey. This said for me about this place. Seems like military base now boss of this place unknown, but not with the right way. The water section of this level is unfair, right? Oh look, we are in a slow frequency. Fortunately, we come to a military base. Well, you explore many days. Don't recommend you skip all this because it is a big maze. From different places to places, and eventually you will lost your way. Yeah, this should be easy. Jump. Yeah, don't jump too high or you get killed by a spike. And this thing has really a box so I can squash it. Okay. Seems good so far. For double down checkpoints. Yeah, level. Checkpoint. Yeah, this actually is so easy to play. You can just you just fun for playing with this. Easy. Just don't glitch yourself, it's okay. It's so easy to glitch yourself, especially with clocks. One other one session not that bad. It's a bit like, especially for this session, like other star songs. I don't know why this me. Which is Can you translate for this one? Yeah, I always find this place like. But not anymore. The secret base will appear. No one next also will appear. Okay, got it. Zero little, yeah, the hardest boss fight I can imagine. It's much harder than the big ones, actually. Actually, both towers are having too much freaking hitboxes. Fine, you find me. I know you're curious if you want to know more information about this play, come on. You can literally kill this guy with Link, but no. Don't want to. It's just literally cheating the whole level. And this dungeon is the worst one. Like, come on. Brankas, is this what you have got? Why not just make everything disappear after this race? The ranker is still there though. The hitbox of this thing is enormous. It's just so big. And that king will not help you, seriously. Oh, more rankers, wait. The best thing you can put is rankers. Just more rankers. Of course, like, come on. Can you just stop the rankers from coming like after they spray? Because if you dodge the rankers, well, dodge the projectile of this guy. Glitches. Android's evil, man. Oh, this freaking face again. Who like this face so much? Freaking rankers and more rankers and more rankers. Oh, more rankers. Can you stop the rankers after that? Like, come on. The face is over there and you still have to deal with rankers. I don't know what this place is supposed to be at, but holy. This is a hard situation. We need to go to Purpose Moon and destroy our phone. Okay, this red item will be around. I guess they had a cause of this guy. The first situation is very fast, but I know what it is. We just freaking escape. Didn't mean to hit this. Whoops. Doesn't mean to do that. Let's continue on. Just a mini press that button. Purplish Moon 1, the level that has been adding a checkpoint in the stupidest position. And this plan using this method. Remember, you cannot kill this guy, you cannot kill the rolling god, but however, you can kill those bubbles. Continuous boom, right? Momentums. Yeah, you can kill this guy. And it's not Mario, it's Mario. What do you have? This. What's this? No. This session, not that bad. Really? Hard time believing it. Sometimes the lava will hit you and on the level, but sometimes it doesn't really hit you. For no reason. I don't care if it is really one pixel away or something else, but seriously. Bam. Don't jump too high or you get killed. Yeah. Should be able to do that. Don't. Oh, does he have a more suitable way, suitable place to add that checkpoint there? Like, come on, dude, like. I think he should be putting a checkpoint like one session later, like, seriously, that's not good timing. That's not good timing. Yeah, he should put a checkpoint here instead of that place, but seriously, I don't know why. This is actually much more appropriate than split second, but anyway. Look, I block probably is I guess of this range plot has something secret, like information about the area of the door. Unexplored entrance level. Well, the second section of the level begins. Like, why don't you put a checkpoint in the integration place? Like, you put it like the last session of the first session, the last session of the first one. Nah, he got to it to sucks, right? I didn't add that spring there, like seriously, that's not my problem, and that's not his problem at all. Now this thing. Oh, you cannot do it on spring. God. I just kill Mario. Kill Mario. Oh, what's this? Oh yeah. Look, this giant egg. This is my lord. I'll destroy it. Yeah, Mono Brain should be taking more hits than 9 hits, like. Bye bye. Stupid egg. Don't forget to remove eggs as well. Oh, nice job. What next? What next? What next? True Dragon. Oh my. Okay, this should be easy. I know. Recognize your agility. My system see this. My function is to destroy all enemies. My system said. You don't want. I'm sure my giant power while you can see run away. This is my island. Everything out in my control. My system kind of loud for something stupid. My clones will power my achievement. Everything will be in a long time and all hard time. You need to run away or my system will activate ultimate burst. Not a problem, seems. I can obviously off-screen and on-screen something. I still can do more time. He should destroy himself for more health. Oh, okay, that's fine. That doesn't work well. A savior. Wing a savior. Danger with the laser the black of the eyes. Should be a big problem after all. Didn't mind to do that. Well, bye. You never come back. Bam. Why don't you guys grab some more first? There's one down there. Bam. Oh, he's almost broken. Oh my god. Bam. This is what you have got. If I use it again, well, I have another share of second control my ability. My technology is so good that I can my floating past my brain cards and kill you. Why not beat this style with literally like what? Why don't make it as what? 12 picture on 5? Why not make this a count plus one? Like, it's so good, man. It's so good. Good there. Hit the matter to charge more. Well, final level. The freaking purple spoon too. And surprisingly, he didn't put the checkpoint there. He never put checkpoint in purple spoon too. Why? Why no purple spoon is freaking long level and like, come on, dude. Like, yeah, just don't move. Just don't move. So just don't move, okay? You'll get this session without getting hit if you don't move. Now let's get some water first. See? Never hits me. Wow, really clever. A nice session there. Yeah, I don't need a drill. I can beat this session without a drill. Bye, Mario. Oh my god. Okay, these sessions can be that hard. Really. Why? Yeah, bye. Wow, nice dodge, dude. Nice dodge. Well. Wow, that's nice dodge, man. Really. Ouch. Everyone terrible. Collapsed. No, not even an inch. Not even an inch. You should put a trap on here, mate. They didn't. God damn it. You need to run away. You're missing it up. You just need to run away because this planet will be destroyed with a big explosion and the eggs and the clones will be destroyed too. I'll say congratulations for you, but you need to escape to life. Come on. Finally, I've got the shot. Yeah, this section doesn't really suck that much except for this. And that, my god. Move it like moving platforms. You should really put a Triple here, man. What is he thinking? What is he thinking about that? Wait. Don't jump when the thing is blinded. Oh my god. Oh, the next part of that jump sucks. Why not? Literally rising lava not help anything else supposed to be there or not. Yeah, I cannot win that fast. Well, excessive rank pass. Slow paced it, but fine now. Oh my god. I can just barely make that, right? Oh, that's why. Well, easy enough. Finally, I found the name. I think my teacher is complete. How it is. This rocket will launch finally on Spider Oxygen. Yeah, credit, which I don't know what, but well, that will be common finale, but I need to explain something. Mario mission is find fluctuating in space in replacing Find Hero and Android because everyone believes that she is a motive for the elements catabasis. Oh, that's clearly basically. Mario after the encounter of Zero found a way in the Zero Hill and explain about secret factory in this place has a giant bomb interactive in explodes planets. After exploring the purpose more, Mario needs the path, but I never find an explication for this situation. Well, the freedom was going. Everything showed that the situation was real, like the peace in the island, the freedom, and the feelings of law. The source of the Kingdom finally obtained your tranquility and guardian's principle work. The future is all you have to play, but in a good sense, you get some chance to obtain good profit. Yeah, we'll see you I guess everyone's just happy. Yeah. So, you will see a surprise at the runtime and time. I repeat, the mission is very important for me because the search was to train him. Because the school is a project, but the search is an island, unfortunately I don't know about this. No, of course, there's our environment this is again. This is a ruby. Yeah, but he said load the bonus, but I don't know. Graphics problem. This is playing for 101. That's right, there's a freelance transition. Canyon, Crackers. I already completed the bonus, so fine. Volatile volcano. Get a scroll play country or city if I pronounce it correctly. Fabulous one. The end, yeah, that's the end. Do you have cash or credit or... I guess no, right? I guess no. Well, that's the end of this restoration link. This is huge update is really huge. Consider we can play new character and Pencil Simpson. Yeah, no, Simpson. Thanks to this guy for making this. Another character, yeah, not fun. Surely, I don't know what's next we're gonna play. Yeah, we're gonna play some Mario thing, or maybe like one day we have Mario and Mario. I don't know. Well, see you next. We hope I know which we're going to play next, and we'll see you next video. Bye, guys.